In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Wayfair with images, GTINs, and pricing. Whether you're new to selling on Wayfair or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can list your products efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into the Wayfair Partner Home. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set that up first, as it's a necessary portal for adding and managing your product inventory on Wayfair. After logging in, navigate directly to the products section. It's typically accessible from the main dashboard menu. This is where you'll begin the process of adding a new product. Now, let's focus on entering your product info. It's crucial to have everything ready before starting to help streamline the process. Begin by clicking on Add Product or a similar button. Be as detailed as possible with your product descriptions. Include the model number, dimensions, and materials. Details matter because they help customers make informed buying decisions and reduce the number of queries they might have. Once you've filled in the primary product information, it's time to add your GTINs, UPCs, or ENs. These global trade identifiers are essential for product identification and are required for most listings. They help ensure accurate inventory tracking on Wayfair's platform and enable the system to process your listings correctly. Enter this information carefully, double-check for accuracy, as errors can lead to listing problems or even products not being found by potential buyers. Next up is uploading images. The saying, "a picture is worth 1,000 words" is particularly true in e-commerce. Clear, high-resolution images can significantly impact your sales by giving potential customers a visual representation of what they're buying. Aim to include multiple angles of your product to provide comprehensive visual detail. Ensure the lighting is good and that the product is showcased against a clean, unobtrusive background. Moving on to the next step, setting your pricing and stock levels is pivotal. You'll want to balance competitiveness with profitability when setting your prices. Within this window, you can also define your inventory levels to ensure customers know when your product is available for immediate purchase. An option to adjust for dynamic pricing, considering demand fluctuations and market trends, can be particularly beneficial. Finally, it's crucial to review all the details you've entered. Double-check everything from product information, GTIN, and images to pricing and availability. Mistakes can lead to listings not approved by Wayfair. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click the Submit button. Your product will then be reviewed by Wayfair to ensure it meets their guidelines before going live on their site. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined process for adding your products to Wayfair. Remember, accuracy is key throughout each step. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Wayfair.